How to do and where to find this viral add your sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So the first step is going to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile right here, you will have to go to September add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go at September add yours at highlights. Now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker. It's at the end. Here we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button or the highlights are not loading, you can go to the description box below, and there you can find some videos that can help you with these problems. So now we just have to add a random photo from our gallery so we will not have a bad October. So to get to the gallery, you will have to click at the left bottom corner and you can add your photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller. You can add some effects. And once you're happy with it, you can share it with your friends. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out. Also, you can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.